jerk, we got the potion. They see the push and leave they circles open. I'm rejecting, it might leave my back broken. Now tell me if you could jerk in slow motion like us. You know that my team's sick. I'm sure you see my whole squad with them clean whips. Now watch the team dip. You see the clean kicks trying to jerk like me, I guarantee you'll leave your jeans rip. Pause, drop, go. Stop, I let my chain bang, hang, swing, go. Watch girls tell me when I jerk, I look so hot, cause I be jerking like I'm trying to make the boat rock. We killing the game and we hurt in the streets. They say to push on fire, we work in the heat. So if you trying to do the dance, work with your feet. Rock slow, drop low, and jerk to the beat.
We had a check, 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 we had a
Hi, I'm him. Hair hang long right up under my brim. We are them guys, not concerned about them. Yes, sir, it's time to jerk if them lights real dim. Yeah, and all you other dudes, keep it on mute. I'll pose for the camera, I'ma let them get a view. The ladies always love it when I'm doing what I do. They be saying,
I'm saying you just jerk so cute.
So yeah, I just say thanks in my chain and try to grab it. Wanna copy the jerk? Go ahead, you can have it. Dollar rock and be nice here, we ain't really bragging. But stunting is just natural, jerking is the habit. Yeah, I'm the reason the chick make you order purse. She all up on the toy cause she hear me on this verse. The ladies give me room cause they see me when I work. And when I'm done they be asking,
can you teach me how to jerk? We had a check, 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 we
Now do that reject, do that reject, do that reject, pause, step, do that reject, do that reject, do that reject. Now put your knees to the ground, take it down, dig it down, down, dig it down, take it down, dig it down. Just put your knees to the ground, take it down, dig it down, down, dig it down, take it down, dig it down. Dip it, hola, dip it, hola, dip it, hola, dip it, hola. And you know how I go when I UFO, UFO. Girl, you know how I go when I UFO, UFO now.
Teach me how to jerk, teach me how to jerk, teach me how to jerk, teach me how to jerk.